So hello everyone, this is Tibor from WitcherFX, and today we'll be looking at some cryptocurrencies, their outlooks, how they looks like and what can we expect. So let's start right off by looking at Bitcoin. I've done analysis on Bitcoin earlier, where I was talking about certain phases, which currently you may know Bitcoin is in a strong uptrend. We can consider being in a strong bull run. Well, but currently Bitcoin is in a corrective phase, as MACD can suggest, but currently the MACD is maybe about to give a buy signal. So I'm expecting this move to be repeated or the selling wave to be extended. However, considering the strong daily uptrend, as we can tell by the 20 EMA, so that the price is above 20 EMA now, I would expect actually this to give a buy signal instead of seeing another selling wave. This can be our hypothetical trend line, downtrend line, which we are testing now, and as a confirmation, I would have this break of this high at 52,600. So a break of that level will confirm bullish momentum, and we can be expecting to see a retest of the all-time highs at $50,000 per one Bitcoin. So Bitcoin looks pretty bullish when we look at smaller time frame. This is what is the most important. The EMAs are in a strong uptrend. Recently gave a buy signal. Here it looked like the price may go down a bit, but the clear trend of higher highs, higher lows. So the new high can be seen somewhere around this area, $50,000, $54,000 per one Bitcoin. So maybe something like this. I definitely expect retest of all-time high and the price of Bitcoin even higher, as there is no technical reason why should Bitcoin, or fundamental reason why should Bitcoin change the trend right now. If Bitcoin should change the trend, this low needs to be broken. Below that would also change the EMA trend, and the overall trend will be changed into a downtrend. When we take a look at some another cryptocurrency, for example, let's take a look at Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency. Again, I've done analysis on Ethereum earlier, so we can see here a clear uptrend line, trend line support. Yeah, it has found an uptrend very clearly here, and currently Ethereum has broke the recent swing high at this level, and is trending higher, and again above 20 EMA. So Ethereum is in a strong daily uptrend. These are some old text, so don't consider this being active, right? So MACD is giving a clear buy signal. So again, Ethereum looks really bullish. I expect again retest of all-time high to happen, not maybe within 1 or 2 weeks. That seems pretty reasonable. When we take a look at the shorter time frame, again, strong uptrend. Trend of higher highs, higher lows. Nothing really. Well, the RSI is not looking the best, as it broke below 60, which in my opinion, RSI works like when it drops below 60, the bullish momentum is gone. So maybe like a correction, or just less buying volume can be seen. So I wouldn't expect Ethereum to go up now. I would expect it maybe to correct these levels where the 20 EMA is located at 1,600 area. When we look at some another coins, which are, well, in the bull market I always look at the coins that are doing the best, because I think following the trend is the best thing you can do, right? So if we have a DOGE, like for example, and has good gains compared to other currencies, I would jump into this, but after a certain analysis, of course. So Enjin, yeah, a crazy bull run. If I would jump into this, maybe definitely not now, as the 20 EMA is at 91 cents, and the price and every price on every asset, not only cryptocurrencies, when it's on strong uptrend, like to retest this level. So I would expect a correction from Enjin to 44% correction, which can easily happen, or maybe lower. So I wouldn't rush into Enjin, even though it has some good fundamentals lately. It has some good partnerships, but I wouldn't go into Enjin, even though the possibility upside, there is a lot of possibility for the price to move even higher, but it's just not good in terms of the risk and reward. When we take a look at DOGE, yeah, I mean, this is good because this formation is really great, because we have here a very strong run, or I don't know how to call this, candle, and we can see after this strong run a clear lack of selling pressure, because after such run we would expect a stronger correction, but here we can see that not many people are willing to sell their dojis, so there's a clear lack of selling momentum or even pressure or selling at all, and this is one reason why Doji can see such strong moves to the upsides. If I would go into Doji, I guess I would still need to see like break of this levels of six something about 6/10, but still the thing about Doji is it likes to pump high and then goes down immediately, so it's hard to buy a break, because if you would like to buy breaks, which is my strategy in this market, it's not a really good strategy in Doji. So I wouldn't really trade Doji myself that much, even though I made some good profits on it, but I will definitely be looking out for it. So let's take a look maybe on some other coins, let's say like IOTA. Yeah, so IOTA has a very good fundamental lately. It has formed, this was here like an extending triangle that is still in, and I think IOTA has a very lot of upside that can be expected. However, I would prefer to buy a break of this pivot high, even though I posted analysis telling to buy here and take profit here, which is also a good trade that I'm now taking a part of, but I will be also looking to buying a break of this level. If we look at maybe some more, let's say some few more altcoins, what else can we look at? This looks interesting. Link, yeah, four green candles, looks good. The upside, HiFi, I don't really like this candle. Nano, yeah, maybe same as Doji, no lack of selling pressure, so we can expect some spike to the upside. It's hard to tell when, but it can easily happen. So buying a Nano and holding it for a few days, not a bad idea. Again, Cardano, clear lack of selling pressure compared to the strong run. Maybe let's take a look at NADA on a smaller time frame. Yeah, the 4-hour time frame doesn't look that good, as the price is an overall downtrend. I wouldn't buy into this, because I would need to see like a break of 1.20 levels in order to go back in, because we have a clear lack of bullish volume, and there's no reason to be in a cryptocurrency that lacks bullish volume when so many are pumping or giving a much higher yearness. Yeah, again, the MACD may be in buying wave, but it's below neutral level, so we cannot consider as a buying wave. If we take a look at maybe some few more interesting one, XRP, what I have to say about is I wouldn't personally trade XRP. Very bad. It has a very bad risk to ratio. It's very badly not outperforming, but down performing. It's just performing very bad compared to other cryptocurrencies, and it's not worth the risk, especially when you consider because when the price of XRP drops, it drops really heavy. Like, people are not willing to hold this cryptocurrency, like for example DOGE. Yeah, it's crazy when you compare. When I say that DOGE, like, more people like DOGE than Ripple to hold, and to have or in other words, like, people that are holding DOGE have tighter hands than XRP when the move to the downside comes. Bitcoin, we'll look at that. Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, not worth thing to talk about. There's Dash. What do we have here? Yeah, this is one coin I'm in right now. Just got my signal yesterday when I was about to fall asleep. I set a signal to alert me when this high gets broken. So I got in yesterday, and very good time. This looks very good, right? This whole setup. Like, you have an RSI about 60. Yeah, the bullish momentum is here. MACD is in a very strong buying wave. Very good setup. We are breaking into new all-time highs. That's very good for the overall setup. So Uni is definitely one coin I'm in right now, and I'll be looking to I know, taking profit maybe somewhere below $40, maybe higher. We'll see how that goes. Polkadot, yeah, we can just take a look at Polkadot. Why not? Again, lacking bullish momentum, even though the daily trend is in strong uptrend. I would really need to see break above $38 in order to buy some Dotka. Binance coin, same as Polkadot, lack of buying pressure. It may seem like this can be some kind of triangle pattern here, but again, I wouldn't buy something that goes down, right? I mean, the overall trend is still pointing to the upside, but the Uni, for example, has a much stronger uptrend. So is there anything else worth looking at? I think that may be just enough for today. So I hope you like this outlook. I hope I made you clear some of my points, how I look at the market and what can we expect. Well, if you like the video, you know what to do. If you don't, you know what to do either. And until next time, bye.